everybody. My name is Oliver Westmoreland. I am an RSC registered level 3 immigration advisor, and I am senior immigration lawyer with GSN Immigration. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon so you can continue to watch our extremely interesting videos about UK visa and immigration advice. Today's topic is British Naturalisation Application and CCJ. I'm going to make this simple for once. I'm going to tell you what British naturalisation is. It's where a person who is not British becomes a British citizen by way of an application. And this is an adult, not a child. This process is called naturalisation. I'll tell you very, very briefly. There are residence requirements that you live in the UK for so long. There are requirements about immigration status, you hold the rights to leave. There are requirements about English language, life in the UK test for most people. And there is also good character requirement, which is of particular importance today. This is about adverse history, bad historical stuff. We're going to concentrate today on, well, we're going to be looking particularly at good character requirement, and particularly in relation to CCJ. CCJ stands for County Court Judgement. County Court Judgement is very simply, it's where you lose a case in the county court. Somebody says someone owes them money, you lose the case, you get a county court judgement entered against your name. That's what it is. I'm sure Mr. Shah, you would like to unpick this a bit with some of your sophisticated questioning.
Yes, thank you very much for shedding light onto this topic. We do get asked a lot of questions and a lot of queries come regarding this topic. Could you please tell us what is a CCJ?
It's something that exists on someone's computer, it's entered against your name that you lost a county court case. You've had a judgment made against you in the county court, or possibly the High Court, but most commonly county court.
And how does one may get a CCJ?
You lose your case in the county court, Mr. Shaw. If you don't want one, you don't lose. You win.
Cool. And should one declare CCJ on their naturalisation application form?
I have a very good answer to that, which is yes. I've got the form in front of me. I can even tell you what it says. Have you ever had any of the following in the UK or any other country? Civil court judgments against you in, for example, for non-payment of debt, bankruptcy proceedings, or something else? So the answer is most definitely yes. Okay. Even if it's historical, you still have to declare it.
Sure. And what sort of impact does the CCJ have on naturalisation application? Probably
not very much. As long as it's not associated with anything else bad, adverse. The fact that you've lost a case in the county court, probably not much. However, do be aware, there's a fair amount of discretion in the exercise of these rules and policies. If you've got loads and loads and loads of CCJs, that might reflect negatively on your good character.
What if someone had a CCJ but it has been recorded as satisfied, maybe they paid their debt, do they still need to declare them? I
would declare everything. I have a very good reason for this. If you don't declare or state something, you may get accused of deception, and then you get into a whole load of other kinds of trouble. Home Office can access records very easily. In fact, some of them are publicly available. I would declare everything, even if it's not dangerous.
Okay. Let's say someone has a CCJ, they have not been able to pay off their debt in full. Perhaps they've come to an agreement and they are paying in installments to whoever they may owe the money to. What happens in that circumstance, and do they declare it?
Well, again, I would declare everything, but in a situation like that, I don't think that there is any danger as long as that is being done as promised and planned.
Perfect. Well, we thank you for today's useful vlog, and we see you in the next one.
See you next time.